The depth of water reached a maximum at 30 minutes. Okay, well, let's check. At 30 minutes, well, it did reach a maximum. It reached a relative maximum at 30 minutes, but it did not reach an absolute maximum. That didn't happen until 90 minutes. So this question is kind of interesting because the way it's worded is it just says a maximum. If we think about our two types, remember we have two types. We have a relative and we have absolute. These are both examples of maximums. So if you put agree, you would say we reached a relative maximum. Actually, I guess we should put the A. At 30 minutes. Or you could put disagree by saying no, they did not reach an absolute maximum until 90 minutes. Now, most of the time when people put maximum, they have a tendency to be referring to an absolute maximum. So if you had to pick one of the two, you might default to disagree, but A would probably still be a good answer.